Hi, welcome to a new video. In last video, we have seen how to add a new section called new to store in your Shopify store. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate this one, which means like whenever you are adding new products to your store, it will automatically show in the collection. Okay, so let's see how you can do that. For that, you can go to your Shopify admin panel. From here, you can just click on the apps and select the Flow app. Okay, so if you don't have the Flow app installed, you can just install them from the Shopify app store. So once you install this one, you can open this Flow app and just click on create workflow and just click on select a trigger, and here you can click on Shopify and just search for product created. Okay, just click on product created and just click on this plus button, and you'll be able to see the button called action. Just click on that, and after that just again click on Shopify and search for tags, and you'll be able to see add product tags. Just click on that and just type new. So this should match your tag what we have used for creating your smart collection or automatic collection. Okay, and after that just click on turn on workflow. Okay, just click on turn on. So what happened is every time when you create a new product, a new tag called new will be added to your product. Okay, this is what happens through this workflow. Just click on exit. Now let's see how it works. Okay, so we can just try to add a new product and see whether it automatically adds the new tag to that product. Okay, just click on products, add product. From here I'm going to enter the product name. Just enter the description for that. Just click on upload product image, and after that you can just enter the pricing for the product, and you didn't add any tag. Okay, you can just keep it as it is and just click on save. Now what you can do is you can just go to the flow and you can just click on the new workflow. Okay, so now you can see that this workflow get triggered, and you can see that it adds one tag to the latest product what we have created. Okay, so just click on the view product, and you will be able to see that it automatically adds the tags to the product. And as we are having a smart collection with the tag name new, it automatically adds to the collection also. Okay, and now you can go to the website and refresh the page. So now you can see that the new product what you have added recently, it's get automatically added to your new to store collection. Okay, so this is how you can create an automatic workflow which adds latest products to the new to store section or the latest collection sections. Okay, so what happened is whenever we are adding new products to the store, it will automatically adds to this section, right? So if you want to remove this product automatically from this collection or sections after a few days, you can also do that using the workflow. Okay, so for that you can go to your admin panel again. You can click on flow, you can create workflow and just click on browse template and search for tags. Scroll down and you can just see the template called remove new product tag 90 days after the product was created. Okay, just click on that. Okay, and just click on install. By clicking the install, this workflow will be installed in your store. Okay, now what you can do is you can just click on this one. So after entering the repeat every 10 minutes, you can just close this one, and after that you can just click on the next box and you can just do this thing. Okay, so you'll be able to see all these options, and you can make sure that you are having the same tag name as you have used for identifying your new products. Okay, and after that what you can do is you can just do this thing. Okay, the 90 days. Okay, so this thing what you can do is you can just make it to 1 day. Okay, just click on turn on workflow. Okay, now this workflow is activated. So here what happened is like every 10 minutes it will check for your new product and see if this product is older than 1 day, it will remove that tag. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, so after that you can just go to your products So for this product, I'm having the tag called new here. So let's see, after 10 minutes, it will be deleted automatically from the products. Okay. So let's wait for 10 minutes and we can check it. So now you can see that new is automatically removed from the tags. Okay. So you can go to flows and check and make sure that it's triggered after 10 minutes. Okay. Okay. So you can see that it's removed the product tag from one of the product. Okay. So this is how you can remove the tags from your Shopify products page using the Shopify flow. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.